I think that Magis is the crux of the Gonzaga mission. Certainly there are other pieces that are very important, but Magis is that you're always looking to better, to do better in a particular situation, to do better with a particular patient, to do better in all interactions in life. It's taking great joy in what you have done, but it's looking to the future and what could you do? What have you learned from each experience? How can you put that learning to work in making the next experience even better?
It's a much greater education than just being book smart, than just being, like tried in the practices of what's going on in corporate communication at that time. It's this kind of much wider, greater understanding of your global impact, understanding what other people do, kind of what's the common day corporate communications that are going on out there and how can you do it better.
The